In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Kapwing. Whether you're working on a short clip, a full-length video, or a meme for your friends, adding the right background music can really enhance your content and make it more engaging for your audience. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can easily add that perfect soundtrack to your project. First things first, you'll want to have your project open in Kapwing. Once you're all set up with your visuals, it's time to think about audio. At the top of your workspace, look for the audio option. You might find it labeled just as audio, or sometimes it's a little musical note icon. Either way, that's where the magic starts. Now, once you click on the audio option, a whole new menu will open up just for your sound choices. Kapwing offers a flexible set of options here, which allows you to truly customize the sound of your video. If you already have a specific piece of music in mind, you can easily upload the track directly from your device. Simply click on the Upload button, navigate to your file, and click Open. Kapwing will then integrate the music file into your project, displaying it on a separate layer so you can adjust it as needed. But what if you don't have a track ready and you need something right away? Kapwing has you covered. You can choose from a collection of existing tracks right in the app. Just browse through the options available and select the one that fits your video's mood and tempo. This is particularly useful if you want something quick and free that will still make your project pop. There's even more versatility thought. If you have a unique idea, go ahead and use Kapwing's recording feature to add your own audio directly. Maybe it's a voiceover, a sound effect you want to create, or even a short tune from an instrument you play. Just hit the record button and start recording. This feature is fantastic for content creators who want to give their work a personalized touch. Once your music is in place, Kapwing allows you to fine-tune how it interacts with your video. You can adjust the volume to make sure it's not overpowering your visuals or voiceovers. It's all about balance. You want the background music to complement your content, not dominate it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added background music to your project in Kapwing, enhancing its overall appeal and emotional impact. With a few clicks, you can take your video from good to great. Keep exploring and experimenting with the different options. That's how you'll find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy editing on Kapwing.